Hey guys, as you all know, in current period, periodic table is the foundation of chemistry. But the most important question is, ये periodic table कब, क्यों और कैसे आया? A long time ago, number of physical elements were found like carbon, sulfur, iron, copper, silver, gold, mercury, etc. So various philosophers started giving their opinion. A great philosopher, Thales proposed that all matter in the universe is made up of just one type of substance, and that is water. But this theory itself arises a question that if every matter is made up of water, then how could we explain the diversity in universe? So it was proved to be wrong. Later, Aristotle proposed that everything is made up of one or more root. Here root, according to Empedocles, is four elements, that is earth, water, air and fire. Similarly, many ideas were given about those elements, but then a German merchant came, who was the first person in history to discover a new element, and he was Henning Brand. He tried to discover the philosopher's stone, a mythical object that was supposed to turn inexpensive base metals into gold. Then in 1789, a French chemist, Antoine Lavoisier, defined element that it is a substance whose smallest unit cannot be broken down into simple substance. And then later he classified these substances into metals and non-metals. But leading chemists of those times refused to believe Lavoisier's new revelation. By 1800, 31 elements were known. By 1865, amount had been doubled to 63. At present, there are 114 elements, which include man-made elements also. अब जैसे जैसे नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स बढ़ते जा रहे थे, उनकी इंडिविजुअल स्टडी डिफिकल्ट होते जा रही थी। तब साइंटिस्ट अलग अलग तरीके निकालने लगे इन्हें सिस्टमैटिक वे में अरेंज करने के लिए। सबसे पहले एक जर्मन केमिस्ट जॉन डोबेनियर आए in 1800. He was the first to consider the idea of trend among properties of elements. By 1829, he noted a similarity among the physical and chemical properties of several groups of three elements, जिसे उन्होंने triad नाम दिया. In each case, he noticed that कि हर triad के middle element बाकी दो element के sum के half के बराबर होता है और middle element की property के बीच की होती थी. Due to this, Dubonier's relationship was referred to as the law of triad, but it seemed to work only for a few elements, and those elements were lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium, strontium, barium, chlorine, bromine, iodine. But as it was applicable for few elements, it was dismissed as coincidence. The next reported attempt to classify element was made by a French geologist, D. Chancourtois. Chancourtois ने element को increasing order of atomic weight की basis पर arrange किया and made a cylindrical table of element to display the periodic reoccurrence of properties. But this also did not attract much attention. Then the English chemist John Alexander Newland ने 1865 में लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव दिया and he arranged the elements in increasing order of their periodic atomic weight. लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव के अनुसार हर 8th एलिमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से डिसेंबल करती थी, इसलिए उस समय यह आइडिया काफी लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया, लेकिन यह लॉ केवल कैल्शियम तक एप्लीकेबल था। इसके बावजूद न्यूलैंड को 1887 में रॉयल सोसाइटी लंदन द्वारा डेवी मेडल से सम्मानित किया गया। Then there was the arrival of a well-known Russian chemist, Dmitry Mendeleev, and a German chemist, Lothar Meyer. They both independently worked and proposed that when we arrange elements in the increasing order of their atomic weight, तो रेगुलर इंटरवल पर एलिमेंट्स की फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में कुछ सिमिलैरिटीज देखी जा रही थी। साथ ही लूथर मेयर ने भी कुछ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जैसे एटॉमिक वॉल्यूम, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट के लिए जब ग्राफ प्लॉट किया तो ही टू ऑब्जर्व द पीरियोडिकली रिपीटेड पैटर्न। और 1868 तक लूथर मेयर डेवलप्ड ए टेबल जो मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल से काफी हद तक रिसेंबल करता है, पर कुछ कारणों से उनका वर्क पब्लिश नहीं हो पाया और तब तक मेंडलीव अपना पीरियोडिक टेबल पब्लिश कर चुके थे with a statement that the property of the elements are a periodic function of their atomic weight. And he was the first person to propose periodic law. मेंडलीव के पीरियोडिक टेबल में 8 ग्रुप्स और 12 पीरियड्स थे और साथ ही उस टेबल में वैकेंट स्पेस भी अवेलेबल थी for newly discovered elements, and even their atomic weight was predicted, which turned to be true later when scandium, gadolinium, and germanium was discovered, and even the space for noble gases were available. But it could not turn to be perfect due to some defects, like he was not able to predict a best suitable position for hydrogen, and even कुछ जगहों पर तो उसने अपना ही लॉ वायलेट किया, लाइक मैग्नीज एंड ब्रोमीन की प्रॉपर्टीज डिफरेंट होने के बावजूद उन्हें साथ में रखा, तो इवन his periodic table did not prove to be perfect. So his periodic table was updated and rearranged by Henry Moseley in 1930. But he arranged the periodic table on the basis of atomic number, and he stated that the physical and chemical property of an element are the periodic function of their atomic number instead of atomic weight, and his periodic table is named as modern periodic table. And his modern periodic table has many versions, लेकिन आजकल जो most common है that is long form of periodic table. So here the story of periodic table comes to an end. Thanks for watching.